Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, parking sensors, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.